That is a, what do you call this? Mangosteen tree. What do you call this one? This is a, uh, wait, I saw a fruit of this tree and it's called guyabano. Is it guyabano? Let's see. Here it is. Oh, yep. This fruit here. So what else is in the farm? There's also some corn and, yep, you see that? That's a coconut tree. It's a coconut tree, guys. Have you seen a coconut tree? Oh, let me.
I can hear the sound, I can hear the beat. I can feel the bass, I can feel the heat. I can sing along, I can shout and scream. I can feel it taking over me. Ooh la la la, ooh la la la. Hey, hey, ooh la la la, ooh la la la. Hey, hey, ooh la la la, ooh la la la. Hey, 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 hey.
Diyan may papaya dito sa babaw.
Di may papaya di.
Diyan may papaya.
Duha hektarya wa isang papayas diha sa aton.
Natugba lang abi pag ulang ulo. Maya mga labot mo ha? Ay, guys. Ma.